people, and pizza is actually in short supply tonight, which is amazing. It's good. Please go ahead and mute your cell phones as we get going here. All right, so a little schedule of the evening. We have one speaker, Steve Hines, is already here, which is great. Also, for those who remember a while ago, but we'll move on. Okay. The one thing we do have is meeting in Tear Down Mixer. They used to have drawings or giveaways, and we didn't have stuff for a while. Today we actually have 3 books. Java EE7, Learning Java, that's the big book, and then the Pocket Java 7. So put your name in the bucket here, and at the end of the meeting we'll do the drawings. All right, so new people, don't be shy, raise your hand. Who's here for the first time? Oh, we go. Yeah, all right. That's good. Australia's here, I think. Anyways, the reason I do that, Paul, is because the regulars who are here all the time already have memorized our mission statement. Why do we meet here? And really, it's very simple. We want to share our knowledge and understanding in the Java technology world of San Diego. Just talk about it, bring it all together, promote the use, what we're doing in our own workspaces. So, and have some good networking, some pizza. Okay, how are you now? I'm Paul Weber, the president of the club. I've been running it for quite some time now. Really, the best way to help out is to find a speaker. That's usually the hardest part. So we've done the recommendations of topics. Everybody's got great topics they'd like to hear. It's trying to find the people that actually speak on that topic. If you have something that you're working on at work or on the side that's of interest, by all means, this will be a great place to present on that interest. During the springtime, we have the Winters Technical Schools come out here and do a little presentation on robotics, because they're entering the kids using Java or a flavor of Android or even Lego Mindstorm, programming robotics. So those are really how you can help. Getting free stuff, getting a sponsor to pay for the pizza. Our sponsor, Tech Systems, is here tonight. We'll get to you in a little bit. So, become a member, very easy. It used to be very easy, excuse me. Yahoo has changed everything. We're based in the Yahoo group segment. So our SD Jug is the main group. We have a couple of other groups. We have a jobs board where recruiters will post jobs and you can respond to them. And we have an announcements board that sometimes announcements goes over. Sometimes we get some legacy announcements on the meeting board. But there's no fee. And at the last count this evening, we had 1,250 who decided registered at Yahoo. I'm not sure if they're as unhappy with the email changes I am. It's nasty.
Just curious, Paul, how do you become a member? It's just like you join and you can never leave, and that's why we're at 1250 and the biggest in the country?
Yeah, there you go. But no, actually, there are people who do leave on occasion. We had somebody who signed up for the Agile Scalability one, and last week he unassigned himself. So I do get the member added, member lost.
Yeah, that was one just like last night, wasn't it?
I think so. Yeah. It's hard to keep track sometimes. The flurry of activity on our website. All right, so now this is the Java Users Group. Please come on in.
Space?
There's always space.
Thank you.
There's always room for one more at the table. A word from our sponsor. So Susie from Tech Systems.
Hi guys, I'm Susie with Tech Systems. So for those of you who don't know Tech Systems, we're an IT global services company. My partners and I here focus on staffing augmentation. Locally in San Diego, we've been here for 20 plus years. I actually placed Mr. Stephen Fines over at CoreLogic. So this is Matt. Say hi.
Hi, how's it going?
And Ben. We're applications recruiters, but we focus here primarily within Java within San Diego. So we're here to network with you and be a local resource. So feel free to reach out. We put our business cards up there as well.
Thank you for sponsoring the team. No leftovers tonight. Okay. What upcoming upcoming stuff. So in December, we're supposed to have a presentation on Neo4j, GraphDB. And hopefully I haven't heard back from the speaker, so hopefully I'll get the website updated as soon as I get their information. January 18th, I'll have Alan Chodar give a special announcement since he's also our speaker in January. Please, Alan.
All right. So, a small team and myself is putting together this one-day conference where anything that's functional programming is welcome. It's one day. It'll be at the Ansier Innovation Center over on Convoy, if anybody knows where that is. We'll start in the morning with a set of sort of keynote, interesting presentations such as the one you're about to see. And in the afternoon, we're going to do a bunch of workshops on all kinds of subjects. A bunch of them will be on actual, well, actually all of them will be hands-on experiences in creating things like web services, web applications, parallelizing already existing applications, etc. So Recurse SD is live. Go and sign up because there's only 50 seats for people that aren't presenting. And if you'd like to present, please use the links on the site and it'll come straight to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Alan. All right, at this point, I have the privilege of opening the discussion up for, are there any people hiring Java developers? No hiring managers here? Okay. Usually we get a couple of these. Okay. Are there any people looking for jobs? Okay, so please. Now, yeah, go ahead and name what you're looking for, qualifications. This is networking time.
Right now I'm a Java architect, so I'm looking kind of principal level software engineer.
Okay.
I work at Active Network and we just got acquired and going through some changes.
Okay.
I'm Kimberly Gromes, and senior software engineer with sort of a mix of .NET and Java experience. And my manager left 3 months ago, 3 months after I got hired, and the whole organization has changed. And
Okay.
changes, sometimes good, sometimes bad. So also looking.
Okay, very good. Okay, any other announcements? Anything coming up that I have left off the calendar besides Thanksgiving and Christmas? All right. So now I'll introduce Stephen Defines, 20 years of experience as a developer, probably a few years in the Scala, Java, definitely financial services and analytical engineering. Very good. So, here again, special thanks to our Calcho facilities people. Alexander, thank you. She's in the back.
Very welcome.
I think Stephen was wandering around here at one point. So now I'm going to switch it over to Stephen.